Hi दोस्तों, welcome back to my channel Plus Easy Tech. So today we will cover the Elmah log in MVC. So how to configure and how to log our error through the Elmah log. So let's move. So पहले हम एजेंडा पे डिस्कस करेंगे, इसके बाद हम प्रैक्टिकल कर लेंगे इसके बाद. So agenda is the first introductions, then how why do we choose Elmah, how to use Elmah, then error dashboard, set up mail server, forgot every login email, store Elmah log in different locations. So let's take point step by step. So introductions first. So Elmah stands for error logging modules and handlers that provide functionality to logging runtime ASP.NET errors. Elmah is an application's wide error logging facility that is completely pluggable. It can be dynamically added to running ASP.NET web applications or even all ASP.NET web applications on a machine without any need for recompilation or redeployment, right? So why do we choose Elmah? Because mm, we have multiple plugins, multiple DLLs, multiple assemblies to choose to handle the error. But Elmah log's advantage is that we can quickly log our error with managed uh, managed way and with proper dashboard without any extra efforts. Only we need to just add the uh, plugins and install the plugins in our applications and then just change some little code in wave config and then we can use easily. Nothing to do anything in change code labels or any database label or anything else. So only we have to configure in wave config file. So Elmah logging all unhandled exceptions will capture. Elmah log all error in many storage like SQL server में भी आप capture कर सकते हैं. So if you are using the SQL servers database, if you are using the MySQL, random access memories, SQLite, Oracle, these kinds of database you can use to track the errors using the Elmah. So Elmah has functionality to download all the error in CSV files. So it's a very big advantage to if you want to download the CSV files and you want to create the CSV files in you can log the error in CSV files in easy way using the Elmah logs. So why do we choose Elmah? So next point is get all the errors data in JSONs or XML formats. So we can also create error and log error in JSON file format and XML file format as well. Now get all the error to our mailbox. So if you want to send the reports to any managers levels or upper levels or anything else, any concerned persons, then you can send the mail automatically after generating the error logs. So this is the also advantage to automated system to mail functionality mail alert system, which we anyone can alert anyone to want to alert to send the alert for that particular errors with the file attachments you can and send the error log notifications to your applications and applications level will also you can send the errors, you can redirect the errors, you can also create manage the custom type of errors using the Elma. Customize the error log by customizing some code. So to this is the flexible to modify and customize your code in your requirements. So you can modify and you can customize your code to handle the error. So let's move to practical part. So the practical I've created one solutions for Elma in .NET MVC, right? So how just let's how can we start with the Elma configurations part. So first of all, we need to add manage package. We need to add package through the manage NuGet package Elma log. because already I have installed, but if you not installed, then you have to install Elmah log DLL like this. After the installations Elmah DLLs, then only we need to configure in web config file to run this, to capture the log and create the files. So first of all, so we need to create a one uh, folders which where we need to log the file, create a file and log the error. So I have created a Elmah log folder, and all the error files will be created inside the Elmah log folder, right? So how can we configure? So let's open with the configuration space. So I have opened the web config file, and we have to put error log, error mail and error filters inside the HTTP module. So error log will be create a log log file. Error mail functionality which you want to send the mail alert to that particular concern and that particular persons which you need to notify, then you can. And also this is the error filters you applies. You can apply the filters, custom types of filters modules to handle error in different way. Now we have to only configure here for the modules, and inside the modules and system.web servers you need to add the modules tags and then error log, elma.error module, elma pre conditions manage handlers you have to add. And we need to set a path of the folder which we have created. So I have created elma log file folder this side. So we have, so this folder is we have created in a default root. So then default root elma log folder, inside the folder the error file will be created. Now we moving to system.web servers. Here we do need to add some verbs like post, get, head, request. We if you want to capture the errors in this kinds of verb, then you have to we have to add the handlers to manage the errors and create the file accordingly. So now let's check with how it will react and how it look like. So I will run these applications. So this application is going loading, going loads in progress, and now it's throwing some error because I have throw some error to track. So this is I have knowledge I have created some code to throw the error. So let's check the dashboard of the error log, how it will be look like. So we have to go and localhost the application localhost and use elma.axt file. So the elma will be create the axt files to show the dashboard. So I will hit here. So see here, so all the well structured dashboard has been created, and the pagination is also applied for uh, 10 to 5 slotting already by the standard is applied, and two records is displaying here. So index out of range types of errors we have logged here. Index was outbound of the errors. If you want to check the details, you can check inside the details in low level. Here you can check multiple types of informations regarding the errors for the troubleshootings. So all errors you can check here, and let's stop this and create some different types of error. So let's I have to comment this line of code, and just I will put on index 1, so index 1 will not found, so this will be captured, this should be captured with using this Elmah log. So Elmah log will also capture this uh, error. So just I'm rebuild again and then run this code. So now it's loading. So see here the resource cannot be found because I have set index 1 is not exist in solutions. That's why it's prompting the error. These kinds of error is prompting. Now check here the http, the public action method index was not found, the controller demo elma control.elma log, because the index page is not exist here. Index 1 is page not index 1 page was not exist here. So that's why this throwing the error, and the Elmah log is captured these kinds of error. You can check the same as well, detail in deep low level. So now I'm just correcting the lines of error. This will be run perfectly. So I will revert the codes because see here the view folders I have only index.cshtml. So index 1 will not exist. So it's captured the error and display on the dashboard. Now I'm correcting the information codes to run build successfully. So now I'm running this code. See, the code is run perfectly, no any error. So error will not increase. Let's check. Finally, so only 3 error was previously, so no any error is increased because the portal is run successfully. And here the file is created, 3 file is created, and extension is XML. So XML file is created, and here we can fetch the report in this sites. These 3 files errors is looking like, so it's a very nice dashboard where we can track the errors and log the errors and report the errors through the mails. You can insert the this all the errors into your database. So guys, this is the overall concept to implement the Elmah log in a quick way. So it's a very less time to configure the with very less configuration, and we can get the errors with the complete well structured dashboard. So thank you so much watching my videos. So now I am request you to please subscribe my channels, like, and also click on the bell button for the next upcoming videos, which will be very helpful to you for your grow your career. Thank you so much for watching.